I've got a hot skillet on tonight. We're gonna make some taco meat. We're gonna cook that up. We're gonna cut up some olives. My husband wants a burrito. I think I might actually want a burrito tonight too, or I might make a crunch wrap with some chip crumbs we need to eat instead of a tostada. Decisions. With some simple taco meat, you can make so many meals. I love taco salad, nachos, enchiladas, all of them. So good. And it's cheaper and better at home, at least in the state we're in. Well, the states we've been in. I like to rinse my black olives off because they're so salty. And these ones are kind of weird. They're like brown, not black. Turn up the heat a little. I love olives. Rolling away on me. I'm gonna finish up cutting all these olives. Alright, y'all. My meat is getting brown. I need to get some water and spices in here quick before it starts sticking too bad and before I eat all these olives. Added a bit there, half a cup or so. I'm gonna scrape this bottom up. Perfect. My husband doesn't want any hot sauce in there today. It's okay. I'm really almost out of taco seasoning now. Add salt because I didn't add in mine. And extra cumin. Cumin? Here we go again. I need more water. A little more heat. That's like no water. I'm gonna need more. Now I've got a little moisture. I'm gonna add in, this is about half a can of black beans. The bottom half's being stubborn. I rinsed these beans off because they were a mess. Those Costco ones are just very strange. This is how my husband likes his taco meat, and I like it cut, not for the taste or anything like that, but it bulks it up. So in times of need, it bulks it up. And you get more full on way less meat. It's awesome. It's really beneficial. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful pan. A beautiful pan. Delicious. Take a little face. Ooh. I need to check it for seasoning and salt. I'll go ahead and add salt and a little pepper maybe. Maybe a little cumin too. Beautiful. We love tacos around here at least once a week, if not more. Quick, easy, delicious. We love it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna add a little more. I'm just gonna do cumin. Cumin. Now I will hit it with a little more taco. Has a ton of chili powder in it and salt. Add more salt. Pepper, why not? Watch that salt disappear. I'm gonna add a sprinkle of water too. Probably wasn't much to do anything but make a mess. That looks really good. Clear the sides, it's easier to clean, less waste. Tastes pretty good. Nice and salty. A little heat from that chili powder. Cut the heat, scooter back. Actually, I can put this lid on there and scooter. And we'll take care of our other stuff. I'm gonna cut up some lettuce, a tomato for me, and get everything ready to make a burrito and whatever I choose. All right, y'all, this is gonna be for my husband's burrito. Got a big old tortilla. I sprayed it with a little water and microwaved it for 20-30 seconds. I got some refried beans I'm slapping down. Gonna add some of this taco meat. Add some taco meat. Beautiful. That's a very simple burrito. We're gonna add a lot of sour cream. Tiny spoon. Spread it out without touching that meat to contaminate the tub. Beautiful. Then I don't want to put that back in. And an actual ton of shredded cheese. He doesn't want it toasted the last couple times. And that's gonna be it. We're gonna carefully fold this over, pull it back, tuck them in, fold it, tuck it, and roll it. I forgot the sauce. Unroll it. Then if you forget, no biggie. Just make a fat mess. Pour a little sauce. Now you make a really, really fat mess. Pull it all back. Wrap it back. Fold it. Tuck it. It's like nothing even happened. Beautiful. And a nice burrito. He's a simple man, y'all. Bon appetit. Alright, y'all, I think this one's a diva. I'm gonna toast this up a bit. Ooh, she's dark. I left it on there for a while, so I'm not surprised. Not worried. As long as it ain't on fire, good to go. Now this side's gonna need a lot more toasting. Yeah, it's a little crisp. No biggie. You rotate it and flip it. You really just want the heat and maybe a little crisp. I like crisp and the heat. We need crisp on this side because the other side's really burnt. And we'll cut the heat. Put some cheese on here. My husband just asked if something's on fire. Just my tortilla. Alright, yeah, she's a little crisp. I know. Get some of that charcoal off. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go in with some lettuce. Okay. Go in with some lettuce. I love lettuce. Going with some meat. Going with some refried beans. Going with a little rice. Going with some cheese. Dollop of sour cream, maybe 2. My tomatoes. And some sauce. Now that's delicious. Bon appetit. And I might make my husband another. Alright, y'all, I cleaned up after the burritos and taco salad. I've got my beans and meat right here in the bowl and bag. If we don't get to it in the next couple days, I'll throw it in the freezer. I cooked up a couple cookies I found in the freezer, using up what we have. I appreciate you guys for joining me in the kitchen tonight, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. And if you enjoyed, consider subscribing and following us along for more. I appreciate you for taking time out of your day and joining me in my kitchen while we make some delicious tacos, a classic, almost weekly cast iron cooking. We love it. Have a fabulous day, y'all. See you soon. Bye.